Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install extension in Google AntiGravity. So guys, to install the extension in the Google AntiGravity, you simply go here. You see there is a one extension option. You just click on it. After that guys, here you go and search your extension name which you want to install. Okay, for this guys, you simply search the Python. Like I want to install the Python extension. So guys, here you see that this is the, and guys, one more important thing, when you are install any extension and you are confused which of the extension is good and bad, so guys, here you check and verify its download. So guys, currently 53.4 million and its rating is 5. Also here you see that here is a Python beauty filer, so it's only 24k and 1k and the 5k and 105k. So this is the way that you can identify. Okay, so you just click on it and just uninstall it. Okay, so this is the way guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.